and they have gone away. They're definitely buying the 488. That is without a doubt. People have been asking it to bring back on the channel the old 458 tire slayer with an older wrap. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome here to another episode on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the world of the supercar community on YouTube. And because there's no supercars where I live, none zilch for me to vlog, but we will be doing vlogs and we are aiming to get a project car, guys. That is the main goal of this channel. But I do like chatting to you guys about what's going on in the supercar community. So if you like this kind of stuff and you're intrigued and you want to get involved, I'll even write back to you in the comments. I might even bring up your comments in my videos. Smash the subscribe button, because I'm thinking of doing a giveaway. When we get to 2,000 subscribers, I might be giving this LED sign away, and I want to get something different. So get smashing the subscribe button, guys. But before we do all that, we're going to be covering DD today, Stradman, vehicle versions, right exotics, and a few others. Before we jump into it, guys, just a quick one. I'm going to be mentioning this a lot in my videos until I find somebody. I am looking for somebody from the US or from the UK that is an editor and knows OBS Studio, because I want to do live stream talk shows on the weekend, maybe on a Saturday and Sunday. But I need somebody who knows OBS, and I want to be able to talk to them on a live stream and talk about what's going on in the supercar community, and people can join in and basically in their chats and ask us questions, and we can have a debate and stuff like that. So if you follow the supercar community on YouTube, if you follow DD, TJ Hunt, Tavarish, Emil Harford, Cleves McFarland, all the big car YouTubers, Stradman, all them, if you follow them and watch all their videos and you know a bit about cars and what's going on, and you can edit and you know OBS, this channel has already been monetized. That's all done. I will give you full access to the channel. We will work something out. Hit me up on my Instagram and let me know if you're interested, and we can see if we can work something out. But really the main goal is you know how to edit with OBS and how to edit in live streams. But it's a great opportunity, guys. I really mean it. I think this thing would explode. I could make a lot of money off it. So look, if you're interested, do hit me up on Instagram and we'll try and sort something out. So let's jump into today's episode and who we're going to be covering. As off the bat, first is DDE. So DDE are on a mission after giving back their P1. They said they're getting 4 supercars, and they have gone away. They're definitely buying the 488. That is without a doubt. People have been asking it to bring back on the channel the old 458 tire slayer with the old wrap. That is in the bag from what I believe. They are so quiet, the 488s. I hope these guys really do a lot of work to get it way louder. But you know with DD it's going to come out pretty cool, and it's going to look like the old 458 but a lot quicker. It's brilliant. I'm glad it's one of the cars they're getting and going back to that. I am a big DDE fan, and now they have 3 other cars to choose. One of them was maybe the Mercedes SLS Black Series. This other car in their most recent video is the Porsche Gt3 RS. Now, what are my thoughts on this? I would love them to get a Porsche Gt3 RS on the channel. One of the Black Series or the Porsche Gt3 RS. I mean, the Black Series is great and it's a lovely car, but the Porsche Gt3 RS, the modding and the engine power they can get out of it is just insane. It basically is a track car for the road. They do sound pretty sick, and here is a quick video of them just on a startup and them just idling. Just listen to this.
You ready for this?
Absolutely.
Sounds good. Sounds really fun.
Yeah, there it is.
There you go, guys. What you think? Comment below and let me know which 4 cars you want DD to buy. I've basically said, my top 2 are a 765 LT and an SVJ. If they add the Porsche GT3 RS into it, I'd be very happy, and it looks like the 488 is in the bag already. If it was those 4 cars, I'd be a very happy DD fan indeed. So let me know in the comments below what you think DD, or how they are doing and what you think of their car purchases and what you want them to buy in the comments below. Next on the list is Royalty Exotics. Big news coming out of Royalty Exotics in their latest video. So Houston Crosta basically has sold his Mansory Bugatti. It is sold, it is gone. He's putting a new wrap on it. It's going like a matte black, so you can see the carbon fiber of the Mansory kit coming out of it. And it is gone. Now, how much he sold it for, not too sure. It did sound like he had to kind of try and get it back off some guy. It could have been the guy he gave it to down in Florida who had it, who was fixing it. But yeah, it's gone. I wonder how much he sold it for. I'm presuming around the 2 million mark, thereabouts. So he has that sold. And in other news that he's after saying, the red one he has, that is being sold as well. And he also has a third Bugatti that he has officially said is going to be a project car. It's going to be more for power than it is for aesthetics. I can only imagine what he's going to do with this engine. Like, the guy knows his stuff with Bugattis. Having three Bugattis is pretty insane. He's selling 2 of them, so like with him selling 2 of them and buying another one, I mean, he's got money to play with. You know, he's saying about getting maybe another CCX, Koenigsegg CCX. I mean, I don't know what I would want him to buy. I mean, there's so many different options out there, you know, that you could get in the hypercar territory. I'd love him to get another Koenigsegg. Actually, Koenigsegg are probably one of my favorite brands, but yeah, crazy that he's after selling 2 Bugattis. Basically, the second one's probably going to be sold pretty soon. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Do you follow Royalty Exotics? What do you think Houston's decisions on selling the Bugattis? What hypercar would you want to see him buy? I mean, there's so many options out there and they have been killing it. Next onto our list is TJ Hunt. He has gone away and he's been doing more mods on his Audi R8, and the carbon fiber hood and fenders have finally been painted, and I must say it looks way better. I'm very happy that he's gone down this route. Just the all white with the gold wheels, I really do love it. It's so nice. I can't wait for this car to be fully finished and wait till Sheepy Race get their hands on the car. Twin turbo it and scare the living shit out of TJ Hunt when he drives it. He's so funny when he drives cars and he gets scared. But here's a quick clip just showing you what way the hood is after coming out on his R8. I mean, it just suits it so down to the ground. I love it, and TJ Hunt for me does the best mods in cars. So here's a quick clip of the hood on the Audi R8.
With this hood, now I notice this lip.
Yeah, no, the hood definitely took your eyes off everything else. Looks really good, but now we have the white on white brakes. You can really like get a whole better vision of the car.
You see how much more carbon is actually on the...
There you go, guys. Comment below what you think. Would you have rather him left it all carbon fiber, or are you glad he painted the hood? What other mods do you want to see him do to the car? I mean, look, he's rebuilt it. It was crashed. It's come out great. I'm loving that he kept a bit of carbon fiber on the vent and the inside of it. I mean, I think it's practically nearly done, is it? I'm not too sure, but I think the next steps for this car will be obviously getting twin turboed. He does great work in his cars, and I really am happy that this is going to be... He loves the R8. He literally loves this car, and I would love an R8 as well. I always said if this channel gets big enough, or if I make the money, the first supercar for this channel would be an Audi R8, and I would mod the living hell out of it and probably supercharge it as well from VF Engineering. But yeah, it's just TJ Hunt, brilliant episode. Glad he got the hood done as well. Next on to the next person we always talk about him is Stradman. Stradman has basically come out about what he's going to be doing with his new HQ. He's gone and has gotten some lifts for his HQ, which means there's going to be some work done inside there, or there's going to be more cars. He did say that he has the JDM car project coming along, and there's another car, a secret car that we don't know about yet. I don't know what it's going to be. We still have the twin turbo Gallardo to come back as well from Chicago. He's going to need the space. Hopefully they can get rid of that limo, but it looks he's basically gotten in a 4-poster lift to hold his cars, and he got a 2-poster for lifting up the cars for working on them as well. So you know that HQ is going to come along pretty pretty fast. I wonder if he's renting it or did he actually, I don't think he bought it. I'd say he's definitely renting it. You know, so that's going to be held on to for a while. He's going to do so much stuff for that HQ. It's going to be insane. Can't wait to see what way it ends up being finished. But, you know, he's so much going on with his Bugatti now and the HQ. He needed a HQ with the amount of cars he has. And he's still trying to sell the F430 race car as well. That's up for sale. I think he's selling it for like 90,000 or something. Love the colour on it, but you know it's not really practical with no air conditioning and stuff. So, but look, if he sells it, look, we'll see what else he ends up buying. It is what it is. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of his new HQ, and you know what more do you want to see from Stradman? Interesting to hear your thoughts. Last but not least on the list, vehicle versions. I have to mention him because he did create a video on, again, he keeps doing this. I don't know why. He's obviously struggling for views. He's made another video on picking up randomers in an Uber Lamborghini. I think it was his biggest video that he had, and he's trying to recreate these videos to get his views and his subs back up. This is the way I think what's going to happen with vehicle versions, or what could happen. This is just a wild guess because I want to hear your comments below as well, what you think. He's struggling for views. He hasn't cracked 100,000 views, I'd say, in quite a few weeks. His views don't seem to be going up. Like, if you're kind of going back, say, if you go quiet for maybe a month and you're building your views back up, for the amount of content he's pumping out and the amount of videos he's pumping out, his views should be going up. He should be cracking 100k by now, like on each video, to get back up there. The guy was hitting 500,000 to 1 million views a video up until this whole debacle and happened with him and calling out DD and stuff. But he's not. He's pumping out content and it doesn't seem to be doing anything for his channel. I really feel like you don't know where, I can't see where vehicle version is going to go because he keeps repeating a lot of content stuff that's there. He's definitely got the cars for the content, but sounds like he's ran out of content. I think a lot of people want to go back to car reviews, or a lot of people have mentioned in his comments below saying, look, go back to affordable sports cars and modifying them. It would do a lot better for your channel. I just don't know. I mean, it's just been so bad and it's been cringy to watch, and his channel is dying. I can't see what he's going to do to get the numbers back up. They should be coming back up, but they're not. He seems to be hovering around the 70,000, 75,000 mark on his videos, and you wonder how much revenue he's getting off YouTube, like trying to survive, to pay for a house and all these kind of things. So I don't know, guys. Comment below and let me know what you think is going to happen with Vehicle Version's channel, and what he needs to do to revive it, or should he just let it go, or what you think should happen to that channel, because I honestly think he's in serious trouble, and I don't know what he's going to do to be able to get his views back up and subscribers. So that's my thoughts and opinions on it. I can't really see it going well for him, but you know, I have nothing against him. It's just his content. He's scraping the barrel here at this stage, and it's not a good look for him. He needs to do something drastically quickly in the next 2-3 months, or you can't see him lasting a year. I don't know. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching the end. I am going to go down a new route with these videos. I'm going to start splitting what I talked about up into segments and dropping out a load of videos, kind of like a talk show. I think it'll be better for my channel, give the channel more exposure. So if you have watched the end of this whole video, thank you a million. Hopefully you'll subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, and get involved and comment below. I will write back to you guys, and look, let's see what happens. And if you're interested again in becoming an editor and becoming a co-host on the talk show of the channel, please do hit me up on Instagram and let me know. And till the next episode, guys, thank you very much for joining me. Stay safe, peace out, and bye.